Hi guys, this is the Bluetooth-controlled LED Underglow Kit of HAZI. Here you can see the control box and it works with 12 volts or 24 volts DC power, and it includes the power module for the LEDs. It is capable of handling up to 5 volt 10 ampere output. In other words, it can control a larger quantity of LEDs without any external voltage regulator. Here I have 2 feet of 144 LEDs per meter LED strips at each side. This particular system is meant for a motorbike. If you want to implement this for a bigger vehicle like a car or any other vehicle, and if the length of the LED strip is too much, we can always go to 60 LEDs per meter type. With this wire extensions, you can install the LED strips under the vehicle and get the controller safely inside to the vehicle. If it is required, LED strip connectors also can be added to this wire ends for easy installation. Now let me show you the application features. First of all, download this LED Hue application as shown in this video clip. This application is available for both Android and iOS. Then turn on the Bluetooth and drag this window down to search for HAZI controller. Give it a moment and then click on the HAZI name to connect with the controller. If the connection is successful, you can see this blue tick mark, and then you can turn on and off the system with this switch. Make sure you have selected GRB here and WS2811 here, and this total number of pixel quantity can be changed based on the LED strips that you have. So this is basically the total pixel LED quantity, but if you have two parallel LED strips like this, you can enter the LED quantity of one LED strip. After that, you can hit the enter button, and this is the main interface of the application. So with this arrows, you can change the patterns. There are many patterns available, and say if you like a particular pattern, say if you like this pattern, you can hit on this heart sign and it will save that pattern as your favorite. So likewise, you can select multiple favorite designs like so, and as you can see with the red marks, it shows what designs that you have selected as favorites. Then if you don't want this kind of dynamic designs, you can always select solid colors from this color palette, and or else you can change color as you want with this slider, and from this slider you can basically change the brightness of the LED strip. This this is the full brightness and this is the lowest brightness. Likewise, you can change the brightness as well. And if you are in a pattern, say let's go for the pattern number 1, and if you want to change the speed of the animation, you can change it from here. So this will be like slower speed, and this is going to be your faster speed. Likewise, you can change the speed as well. And as I mentioned, you can select the favorites, and if you want to play only the favorites, you can press and hold this heart button. Then the interface will go dark, and then when you select this arrow keys, it will jump to that favorite positions only without going through all the patterns. So this is basically it. Hope you like this system, and so if you have any questions, please put a comment down below or send me an email or WhatsApp message. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.